Welcome back to the channel, guys. Second vlog trying to do this again. I'm Nate and do photography and try and get in more video as well. And today we're trying out the Tamron 150-600 I just purchased. Just came in last week, and it's the F mount, so I still use the F to Z adapter for the Z6 here, and trying it out for the first time. Mostly got it for trying to shoot some surfing photos of my buddies and try to get more into that a little bit, but also use it for some motorsports events and when you guys stand farther back. But trying it out for some bird watching out here today on the edge of Santa Barbara going into Montecito at the bird refuge. And so taking some pictures of some ducks out here while we still have a little bit of daylight. So I'll let you know what I think after doing some photos of it. Starting to run out of daylight, getting a little dark out here for the f6.3 on that, and it's a little gloomy day too, so we're not getting too much sun for the sunset. But hopefully I'll continue on with this review this week. We got a little bit of swell coming in for some surf, and so I'll try to get out to the beaches and try it out there and continue on with this video doing that. And I'll upload some of those photos as well, so you guys can check all that stuff out and see what you think. Alright, thanks. Hey guys, back for another day of working with the Tamron 150-600. We're out at the Rincon Classic surf contest in Carpinteria, and I threw on the Atomos Ninja V Plus so we can try to do some screen recording, and so you can kind of see how it acts and how fast the autofocus is. But yeah, we had to park pretty far back on the other side of the freeway, and so now we're gonna go walk in. Hopefully get some shots in before I have to go to an engagement shoot for my buddy. All right. Tripod so it wouldn't be so shaky for the handheld stuff or just a few of these shots. But it is a pretty light setup, but once you get the Atomos on there, it's definitely a little bit more of a workout to keep it nice and stable, so I'm not just giving you guys a whole bunch of shaky footage. pretty impressed. I know I won't use this lens too often, but I think I'll definitely use it getting out for some more surf photography and maybe getting a little bit more bird watching. But it's definitely a lot better quality, I'd say, over the Nikon 200 to 500. That one was just really soft, and I could never get a good sharp image with it, and it was also really slow at focusing. This one's definitely feels a little bit faster. It's not super accurate, but it's doing a pretty good job so far. And I got a few other new lenses I'll probably be doing some videos with soon, so we'll see you then.